Hi everyone, this is Sheetal Sapan Matre, and today I'm going to share something very interesting with you. So I'm going to start a series on how the universe answers your manifestation prayers that you do for different topics. We all know how to do it, but we do not know how the universe answers it, and at times we miss the clues as well. So I will also be posting a link to the law of attraction for money in the description column. You can also see a playlist which is dedicated to prosperity, which shares many money tips as well. So in today's series, I'm going to cover how the universe answers your prayers for money. The first way the universe uses to answer your prayers for money is via your inner voice. It gives you ideas, it makes you aware about why you're not able to make more money, how you can make more money. So there's a lot of dialogue that goes within you, in which when you are just relaxing, just sitting, a thought may just pop up, an idea or an inner voice may tell you that, hey, why don't you do this? You can make good money in it. Or hey, you need to cut down on your expenditures because you are wasting too much money on maybe online shopping. So an inner voice constantly gives you guidance regarding money once you start doing prayers. Does that mean the other times the inner voice is silent? No, the inner voice is not silent even if you are not doing prayers or manifestation techniques for money. It is just that you're able to recognize and listen to your inner voice more clearly after you do a lot of prayers and manifestations for money or any other topic. The second way the universe answers your prayers is by small gifts, small savings, or maybe you may win something really very small in lottery, or maybe via a housing game. So the gain would be very minuscule. However, if you are not grateful for that small gain, then the flow is blocked. Let me give you an example. If you give your friend a very small gift and your friend does not appreciate it, your friend goes like, hey, this is such a small gift, I would not take it, I do not like it, not a big deal. Will you give that particular friend a gift again? No, because you will not like it. Similarly, the universe loves and gives tremendously to people who are grateful and acknowledges every small thing the universe gives. The third way the universe answers your prayers for money is by showing you numbers. So you will see the number 8 often, you will see the number 3, 8, 5, 8, 4, 8 often, okay? And you may see these numbers on number plates or on your watch, or via some way or the other. Another way the universe answers your prayer for money is via friends. So your friend may just come up to you and tell you, hey, you are so good at this, why don't you do this for making more money? Or your friend may give you an idea, or a friend may come and tell you that, hey, there is so and so opportunity, why don't you take it up? So this is also another way of the universe telling you how you can make more money. Another way is that you will suddenly start becoming more aware of different practices spiritually, okay? Like you may come across a prayer, a mantra, or you may be motivated or guided to do a particular workshop, and that workshop will help you to raise your vibrations for making more money, or that particular mantra may help you to get rid of the negativity and make more money. So these are some of the ways in which the universe answers your prayer request for money. So do not miss those small ways in which the universe is answering your prayers. Also, if you like this particular video, do like and subscribe to my channel. You can also share this video with all those whom you think will benefit from this particular video. Alright, this is Sheetal Sapan Matre. Have a great day ahead.